mga kasipnayan, welcome sa ating bagong video lesson. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na ngayon. You may also click the notification bell so you will be updated sa mga susunod kong mga video lesson. Ako si Sir Jhomz at samahan niyo akong muli sa paglalayag natin sa kaalaman ng Sipnayan. So, kapit ka lang, focus at huwag kang bibitaw. Let's go! Alright, so for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to evaluate functions. But before we go further, tapusin mo ang video na to because sa dulo ng video na ito, I will be giving you another math tricks that you may use for fast calculation. Okay? Alright, so evaluating function is the process of determining the value of a function. And we have two steps in determining the value of a function or evaluating the function. First step is to replace the variable with its given value, and the second step is to perform the indicated operation. So without further ado, let's go ahead and try some illustrative examples. Okay, so mga kasipnayan, let's have our first example of evaluating functions. So we have f of x equals 5x minus 3 if x is 4. Okay? So, isa-substitute lang natin itong 4 dun sa x. Let's do this. F of 4, since x is 4, equals 5. So, palitan natin itong x ng 4. Okay? So, times 4 minus 3. Okay. Now, let's just simplify. F of 4 equals, so multiply 5 times 4, 20, minus 3. Okay, f of 4, so 20 minus 3 is 17. Okay, so that's the value of our first function where x is 4. Okay, so let's have another example. So we have f of x equals to x squared minus 6x plus 24. Now our x here is 3. So we'll just replace x with 3. Okay? So yan, yung 3 na yan, ipapalit natin yan sa lahat ng variable. So f of 3 equals 2 times 3 squared, okay, minus 6 times 3 plus 24. Okay, so simplify muna natin to. So yung exponent 2, 3 squared is 9. Okay, so times 9 minus 6 times 3 plus 24. Okay, so simplify natin silang lahat. 2 times 9, 18. Negative 6 times 3. Okay, negative 18 plus 24. Okay. So, positive 18, negative 18, cancel yan. So, 24 na lang ang matitira. So, the value of our function here, where x is 3, is 24. Okay? So, okay, ayan na. Now, let's have another example. Okay, so in this example, we have f of x equals square root of 3x minus 2 if x is 9. Now, we will just simply substitute 9 to the x. Okay, so f of 9 equals square root of 3, then times 9 minus 2. We replace x with 9. Okay. So, let's continue. Square root of 3 times 9 is 27 minus 2. Okay. And 27 minus 2 is 25. Alright. So, our f of 9 here is Square root of 25. Yes, positive and negative 5. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, so let's have another example. Okay, in this example, we have given function f of x equals 4x plus 7 all over 2x minus 5. This is actually a rational function, okay, where x is negative 2. Okay, so let's just replace x with negative 2. So f of negative 2 equals, okay, so 4 times negative 2 plus 7 all over 2 times negative 2 minus 5. Okay, so simplify natin. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 plus 7 all over 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 minus 5. Okay, so f of negative 2 equals, since unlike sign, so we will subtract and get the sign of a larger number. So 8 minus 7 is negative 1. Okay, and negative 4 and negative 5, so like sign, we will add and copy the sign. So negative 9. Okay, or our f of 2 could be in this way, 1 over 9. Kasi pareho sila ng sign, so it's going to be positive. Alright, so there you have it. Our f of negative 2 is equals 1/9. Okay. Alright, so this is our last example, and this is an exponential function. F of x equals 4 raised to the power of x. If x is equals to 3/2. Okay. So exponential function to, ha. So let's just replace x with 3/2. So f of 3/2 equals 4. Okay, so our x is 3/2. Okay, so pag nakakita kayo ng ganito, pwede itong i-convert into radical expression. Okay, wherein the denominator of the fraction of the exponent could be the number of root or the index. So dahil 2 yan, so magiging square root yan. And the numerator of the exponent is the exponent of the radicand. So ito ang itsura niyan, mga kasipnayan. Square root of, so 2 yan, kaya square root, ano? So square root of 4, and then the numerator of the exponent is 3, so that's the exponent of the radicand. So 4 cubed. Okay, equals, simplify natin, what is 4 cubed? 4 times 4 times 4, so that is 64. So 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Okay. And the square root of 64 is positive and negative 8. Okay, so that's the value of our f of 3/2. Okay, so 3/2. Alright, so there you have it, mga kasipnayan. So I hope natutunan nyo kung paano mag-evaluate ng function. Okay. And there you have it. O, di ba? Napakadali lang mag-evaluate ng functions. So, ngayon naman, katulad ng pinramis ko kanina, tuturuan ko kayo ng bagong math tricks na kung saan magagamit ninyo para sa mas mabilis na pag-compute ng numbers. Eto, panoorin ninyo. Okay, so mga kasipnayan, gaya ng ipinangako ko sa inyo kanina, tuturuan ko kayo ng bagong math tricks. And ang tricks natin ngayon ay squaring 2-digit numbers. Okay? So we have 6 examples here. So we have 12 squared, 15 squared, 23 squared, 37 squared, 45 squared, and 63 squared. So paano nga ba kuhanin ang square ng mga numbers na to nang mabilisan lang at kahit hindi ka gumamit ng calculator ay makukuha mo siya ng tama. So let me help you to do this, okay? So ganito ang gagawin natin mga kasipnayan. Let's try the first example. So we have 12 squared. Ang technique lang dito, i-square mo lang yung ones digit. So 2 squared is 4. Okay? And then, imumultiply mo sila magkatabi. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? And then, imumultiply natin yung product nila sa 2. So, 2 times 2 is 4. And then, i-square din natin yung tens digit. Okay? So, 1 squared is 1. And there you have it. So, the 12 squared is 144. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo, pwede nyo i-check in sa calculator para malaman niyo kung tama talaga yung sagot natin. Okay. So, let's try another example. So, we have 15 squared. So, the square of 5 square is 25. Lagyan natin dito yung 5. Tapos, yung ano niya, i-carry to natin, yung kanyang tens digit. So, 25, lagyan natin doon yung 2. And then, 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Then, saka natin ipa-plus yung tens digit kanina. So, ulitin ko lang. 5 times 2, 10. Plus 2, 12. Okay? So, lagyan natin dito yung carry 1 natin. Yung 1's digit. Okay? Now, square natin yung 1. 1 square is 1 plus 1, 2. So, therefore, the 15 squared is 225. Now, let's try the third example. 23 square. Okay? So, square lang natin yung 1's digit. 3 squared is 9. Okay, then i-multiply natin sila. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's multiply it by 2. 6 times 2 is 12. So, carry 1. And then, squared natin yung 2. 2 squared is 4 plus 1 is 5. So, 529. Okay? So, about this one. 37 squared. So, squared of 7 is 49. So, let's write 9 here. And carry 4 natin. Lagyan natin doon yung 4 muna. Okay? Tapos, i-multiply natin silang dalawa. 3 times 7 is 21. Then, i-multiply natin yung 21 sa 2. 21 times 2 is 42. So, lagyan natin dito yung 1's digit. And carry yung 10's digit. So, 42. Carry 4. Okay. And then, square natin tong 3. 3 squared is 9 plus 4. So, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, therefore, the square of 37 is 1,329. Okay? So, how about the 45 squared? So, square natin yung 5. So, that's 25. Carry 2. Okay? Tapos, i-multiply natin silang dalawa. 4 times 5 is 20. Then, 20 times 2 is 40. So, 0 dito. Then, carry 4. Okay? Then, 4 squared is 16 plus 4. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So, therefore, the 45 squared is 2,005. Okay? So, let's try the last example. We have 63 squared. So, square natin yung 3. That's 9. And then, multiply natin. 6 times 3 is 18. Then, 18 times 2 is 36. So, lagyan natin dito yung 6. Carry 3. And then, square natin yung 36. Yung 6. 6 squared is 36. Plus 3 is 39. Okay. So, the square of 63 is 3,969. Okay. So, I hope you got it, and thank you for watching. Okay, so mga kasipnayan, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa paglalayag ng kaalaman ng Sipnayan. Pero tingnan ko nga kung talagang may natutunan kayo sa ating video ngayong araw na to. Can you evaluate this function? Okay? Sige, hahanapin ko sa comment section ang inyong mga sagot. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, you may share it with your friends and ask them to subscribe na rin. Once again, my name is Sir Jhomz, ang inyong kasipnayan na nagsasabing it's really fun to learn mathematics. Thank you, and God bless everyone.